Skittles.
Hello.
What did you get, Levi?
This is myself.
Oh, a lollipop. Wow. Oh, there's your skeleton.
Take a picture of him.
I see it.
Take a picture of him.
I got a picture of it. Here we go. Skeleton. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool, Lucas.
He's got a funny smile on.
He has a funny smile?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. That's silly, huh? Levi, what have you got? What's that?
Are they M&M's? Yeah.
Whoa, those look good. M&M's?
I got 2 cell cans.
You got 2 skeletons. No, one's Levi's.
This is Levi?
Yeah. Don't steal Levi's skeleton.
Here, this is yours.
Okay. Okay, can you go say hi? Can you say Happy Halloween to Uncle Ken and Aunt Tanya?
No.
Say Happy Halloween.
Open.
How about trick or treat?
Trick or treat.
Good boy. Levi, can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
No, wave.
Bye-bye.
Good boy, Lucas. Levi, can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Let's see you wave. Good boy.
Open, please.
Okay.